My name's Anthony Vella and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today it's a super basic flight around the field so that maybe you guys can get an idea of what it's like to live and breathe in this paramotoring world. Elevation. I'm probably about 150, 200 feet above the deck right now as we make our way around the area that I live. The sun's at our back, the wind's on our face. We're making our way on final.
This is pretty cool and all, but I wish there was a way where I could feel like I was really there. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube 360 videos on a high-end VR headset. It's actually pretty finicky. This works really well on phones, and I think some of the portable VR headsets it works on, but if you have an Oculus Rift or a Valve Index that you actually have to connect to a computer and you want to watch these, it took me about an hour and a half to figure out, so I'm going to show you how to do that right now, and then we'll go in and we'll take a little flight with Anthony. And before I start, I should probably get my voice tuned like Anthony does, so I can sound all nice and sexy.
Oh yeah. Yep, that's it. Oh yeah. Oh man, I am getting excited. I'm gonna have to sing a little bit. Nothing you can do can tear me away from my guy.
All right, so first what you want to do is you're going to have Steam. Steam is an application where you download video games. You're going to have it if you have an Oculus or a Index. There's a free app called Gizmo VR Video Player. You're going to have to get that, download it, install it. There's one other app that supposedly works called Desktop VR, but it's $15. I wasn't going to spend $15 on one video that I was going to watch. So get that installed. And then you're going to want to go to this link right here. So gizmovr.com/playlink. That'll take you here, and it'll ask you to paste the YouTube video. Now the instructions said don't open this app in Steam just yet. So I'm already wearing my VR headset. Got Steam VR open. So now we're back on Anthony. I'm going to copy, paste. And click on play in headset. Choose application, Gizmo VR. All right, we're in. So with this app, if I hit a trigger button, it'll pull up a little menu. If I hold it again, okay, otherwise it'll give you a menu of the controls. If you hit the back button, it'll kind of take you back to the main program, and then you'll have to reload it all over again. So that's how the app works. Oh, hey, there's Anthony. Holy, he looks good. Let's play this.
Hey everybody, my name's Anthony Vella and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Oh, hey buddy. Oh man, this is amazing. Oh, look at that beard. In VR games, the depth perception is like amazing. Like, you feel like you're there. I play like this ghost hunting game with my brother sometimes, and it's scary and it freaks me out. Here, the depth perception is not as good. It feels a little bit more flat, like I'm looking at a big movie screen, but the thing is with my headset, because I get like a 130-degree field of view, I still get a sense like I'm actually here. Now, I'm pretty stationary. I can't move around like I can in some other things.
Guten tight, as they say.
Guten tight.
I'm gonna watch your hands. I'm coming for you.
Oh yeah.
Here we come. Right past you guys.
Ooh.
Woo! Right past you. Bye, guys. check it out.
Holy
There's the
crap.
view right down below. That's really cool.
Okay,
I love getting to fly over
this is the cool
It is
part.
my personal airport,
Like,
and I love it
I feel
so
like
much.
I'm just like riding
They're
on
doing
his
a lot of
lap.
construction in
Like,
the area,
this is
and I'm
amazing.
granted a view that
Oh, look
most
at that
people
tape
will
job.
never see. Even if you fly an airplane,
Oh, this is
airplanes are
cool.
usually
You can really
mandated
see
to
the
fly
detail
much
of the
higher,
risers,
but look at this
his
elevation.
harness.
I'm probably about, we
I'm
make
like
our
so
way
close to him, I
around
could smell him.
the area that I live.
Bet he uses that manly bar soap.
I still can't believe this is possible.
Smells like pine tar. Now, I wish you started with the takeoff. I would have loved to been on
Here we
board
go,
for that.
everybody. The sun's at our back.
You might
The
want to
wind's
make
on our
another one
face.
for that.
We're making our way on final
No
approach
rush,
to
but
get
I go
the
to training in a
airfield.
week, so
I'm
if you could
really glad that you guys got to
get
come
on
with me
that.
on this flight. If you have any requests for things you would like to see in this 360-degree virtual reality flying experience,
Well, I just
please
told you.
let me know. As we glide on in, I'm going to do one tactic to lose some height a little faster, which is pulling these. Now my glider is
Oh,
pressed. I'm
so
gonna
cool.
lose
You
height
get
much
just this
faster.
amazing
There we
view
go.
in
Pop
detail.
those out, get my
Like what you
direction
guys are
on.
seeing on the screen, I feel like I'm here in real life. I really saw him tug that line. You know, obviously if you're already flying, you might not be interested in this, but this would be kind of cool to do if someone was doing an SIV course.
Thank you all so much for coming along on this flight. I'm gonna
Oh,
get
no,
all
no,
of
no.
this packed
Thank
up.
you. You know, I know everybody in the paramotoring community is into those one wheels. Not that I'm going to get one. I may be loaded, but I ain't rich. A headset like this, there's nothing really that compares to being armed with lightsabers and fighting stuff to like music by Kenny Loggins. I mean, check it out. Why is he punching his car? All right, I hope that helps. I'm sure if you already fly a paramotor, it's not going to interest you, but I think for new people getting into it, it would be a little helpful, especially since you can see so much detail. And I really think it'd be interesting if someone taking an SIV course would do it, because you can actually look up at their wings. You can see what they're pulling on the risers. I don't know. I think that would be pretty interesting. That's probably something I'll never do, but nonetheless, it'd be a good resource. I want to thank Anthony Vella. I reached out to him, asked him if I could make this video, but didn't give him any details about it. Finally, I do want to put in a plug that if you're looking into paramotoring, get yourself the PPG Bible. You can get an ebook on footflyer.com. It's by Jeff Goyne. Super, super smart guy. I love this guy. I get it. It's a book. It's not a flashy, entertaining YouTube channel. And some of those are really good resources too. But the thing is this is extremely well written. The diagrams are just really well thought out. It's really, really easily digestible. And it's a big book. He talks about absolutely everything, airspace, weather, all sorts of stuff. But even if you just read the first 100 pages, it's going to open you up to things. He did a fantastic job with this, and he's really a godsend. Yeah, the PPG Bible. Get it on print or go to footflyer.com. It's good. It's really good. Well, that's it. Stay regular. Toodles.